Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the unexpected error with the login session error in League of Legends. Let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to try is pressing Alt plus F4 while the League client is open. A little pop-up should appear. When it does, make sure you click Sign Out, not Exit. If that doesn't work or nothing shows up, don't worry. Just skip ahead to the next step. Next, open up Task Manager and head over to the Details tab. Sort everything by name, then press L to jump to the League of Legends processes and end all of those. Then press R to find anything Riot related, things like Riot Client Services and Riot Client Yux, and end those too. Once you've cleared all of that out, try reopening League and see if that fixes it. Still not working? Go to your search bar and look up View Network Connections. Right-click your network, hit Properties, then open Internet Protocol version 4 and click Properties again. Switch it to Use the following DNS server addresses and enter 8.8 as the preferred and 8.8424 as the alternate. Hit OK, close everything down, and give the game another shot. If you're still having issues, search for CMD, right-click it, and select Run as Administrator. Type in ipconfig flushdens, hit Enter, then type netsh winsock reset, hit Enter again, and then restart your PC. That should do it. And that's it. Hopefully one of those steps sorted it out for you. If it did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. It seriously helps me out a lot. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.